Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. In Selvin Kitchen we're always doing something new. Thank you guys to support Selvin Kitchen. Thank you guys to watching my videos then. Thank you guys to sharing the video with your friends and family. And please hit that like button when you're watching my video. And hit that notification bell. So when I post a video you guys can get it. So in Selvin Kitchen today we're doing something new. So we're gonna cook some rice with carrot and coconut milk. So no meat today in Selvin Kitchen. We're using no meat in this delicious, awesome recipe. So we have 1 small cabbage, we have 3 carrot, we have 1 stalk of spring onion, we have 1 white onion, we have half of red bell pepper, half of yellow bell pepper, we have 1 scotch bonnet pepper, but the scotch bonnet pepper we're just gonna put it in the boil it to give it the flavor. We ain't gonna burst it. We have 1 teaspoon of salt, we have 2 teaspoons of oil, and then we have 1 tin of coconut milk. Then we have 2.5 cup of rice. So we're gonna use. So in Selvin Kitchen today, guys, we're gonna make cabbage, carrot, rice. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're just gonna cut up this cabbage small. We're gonna cut it up and wash it. So just gonna slice up the cabbage. Cause this cabbage is a different cabbage from the normal cabbages. They're more softer cabbage. Cut out the middle. I don't want this one. I'm gonna use the middle of the cabbage. Get that away. So in Selvin Kitchen today, guys, we're gonna cook cabbage, carrot, rice cooked down with coconut milk. Something new. So you can, if you wake up one day and a lot of people don't eat meat, and you want to cook some cabbage and carrot rice, this is a delicious, easy menu. So I'm just gonna slice it up very thin. So when I slice up this one now, I'm just gonna wash it. We always wash our food before we prepare our food. So cut it up thin like that. Because I ain't gonna steam this cabbage, I'm just gonna wash it and cut up the onion, the bell pepper, the spring onion, and the carrot. It's gonna burn them off a bit in the oil, and then after I wash the rice, put in the rice, and then I steam the rice. You're gonna see it's a very delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen. So guys, I just cut up that cabbage and wash the cabbage. Cabbage is draining. So now I'm just going to grate the carrot. So I'm going to cut up the carrot. I'm just going to grate the carrot.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here.
So guys, I just grate out these 3 carrots. Just gonna put them in a bowl. So when I grated the carrot look like this, people. I use the big side of the grater.
right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold.
So guys, what we're going to do now, we're just going to add some oil in the pot. We have 2.5 teaspoons of cooking oil. You can use olive oil or you can use any type of cooking oil you want. It's up to you guys, optional. So I just add in 2.5 teaspoons of cooking oil. So I'm going to add in the bell pepper, the onion, the spring onion. Get everything out of that. That's a nice stir. So now we're just gonna add in the carrot and the cabbage. Just a nice stir. So I'm gonna give it around 3 minutes to let the cabbage steam a bit, let the cabbage go down, because now the cabbage full up the pot. I'm gonna give it 3 minutes to 3.5 minutes. Put on the lid on that. So guys, this cabbage and the carrot been steaming for the last 2 minutes. I just put a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning in it. Give it a mix. Nice stir. Gonna stir up that all-purpose seasoning. Everything in it, you can smell that onion, that spring onion already. Now just gonna add a teaspoon of salt. Give it another 1 minute before putting the coconut milk with some water. Coconut milk. So we have 1 tin of coconut milk. Give it a nice stir there, guys. Want to mix up all of that coconut milk, everything. So I'm gonna give the coconut milk and the cabbage and the carrot 3 minutes to steam. Then after, I'm gonna add some water to it, and then I'm gonna add my rice. I'm gonna turn on my stove on a low heat to steam the rice, guys. When you're cooking rice, guys, you don't want to have the fire on a blazing heat. You just want to turn it down very low to steam the rice, guys. You don't want the rice to burn. Yes guys, so the coconut milk, we cook it down with the carrots and everything for the last 3 minutes, and now we're just going to add in the rice. I washed the rice already, so I'm just going to stir up the rice in it. I want to get everything out of that bowl. So guys, if you're watching my video and you don't subscribe, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit that like button. Please share and like the video with your friends and family. Because Sylvan Kitchen, we're always doing something new. We have a lot more recipe coming out. So please share and like the video, people. So I'm just going to mix it up now. I want to mix in all of that cabbage, all of that carrot, that spring onion, everything like that. I want to mix up everything in it, so everything does steam equal. So I get everything right there now. Stir it up like that. Yes, so I just mix up everything here, guys. I'm gonna turn on the fire and allow it. We're just gonna add a little water to it now. Some boiling water. You don't want to put in too much water in it. Just make the water barely cover the rice. Just gonna level it right there. Give it another mix again. So just gonna put on the lid and that now. I'm just gonna let it steam. So I turn on the stove on a low heat. Turn it down a little bit more, so I don't want the rice to burn. So that is okay. So guys, this scotch bonnet pepper, so I ain't gonna cut it. I'm just gonna put it in there like that. I just wanted to boil to give it the flavor. Just gonna sink it, cover it like that. Put some rice on top of it. Let it stay down in the bottom of it. I think so. When the rice nearly done steam now, I'm gonna take it out because I don't want it to burst. Hi guys, this has been steaming for the last 7 minutes. So I just put a bit of foil paper over it, turn on the stove very low. I'm just gonna check it now. Take out the foil paper. Let that steam. Looking at people, that's coming down nicely. So I'm gonna put on back the foil paper of it, give it another 5 minutes to steam by itself. Hi guys, this has been steaming for the last 10 minutes. So now I'm just gonna take off the lid off of it. Check it. If you don't try this recipe at home guys, please check out this recipe. Oh, that is hot. Looking at people, like that cabbage, that carrot, that spring onion, that bell pepper, beautiful. The coconut milk. So try this recipe at home people. If maybe you wake up one day and say, alright, I don't want to eat no meat, or you don't want to cook no meat, you can eat it just like that people. In Sylvan Kitchen, we're always doing something new. Let me taste it. Delicious people, delicious. Hi guys, this is all finished. This is Sylvan Kitchen. Look at that people. So I have no meat in this. I don't use no meat today. I just use the cabbage, the spring onion, the bell pepper, and the carrot, and the coconut milk. So a lot of people don't eat meat. So this is an awesome recipe for you people who don't eat meat, or some people who eat meat and them tired of meat to eat, they want to eat something new. So in Sylvan Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So please hit that like button, hit that notification bell, so when I post a video, you guys will get it. In Sylvan Kitchen, we're always doing something new. Stay safe. We'll see you guys in the next video.